Yeah, here we go. DJ Mars Bars representing all the DC Easy members. I'm a DC Easy for life, my niggas. Fucking little niggas acting like they're bigger. Better drop a bomb on Osama bin Laden's mom. I hope that nigga die while I fly and get high. You ain't introduces, all you do is take pics of the ass, no lie. Juices, if your haters ain't recognized, then you must be fucking blind. I swing on that vine, break your fucking spine, and take it with me while I drink a motherfucking wine. This beat is so sick, like a spick with no dick. Yeah, I'm from Guatemala and big break baller. And if you like holler, man, I be reppin' change while you engage under the animal's cage. We commit suicide, that thanks Nixon. This ain't fucking fiction, cause we get that C4 out and kill ourselves when we on drought. Damn, that's all I gotta say. All I know is my nigga Stanley Doe. Deuces hoes. Alright, sight nah nigga. The rookie's still going and flowing, never stopping to the top. Nigga, fuck Wolfgang, so lame, no fame, what a shame. These niggas whack, they need to get slapped, no doubt. Motherfuckers, now I'm done. I am the one. All of you guys are my sons. Motherfuckers.